TCS DCA April 17, 2021 result has been declared. Based on exam evaluation process, you might have received either of the two mails. Congratulations or we regret. Let's see what first mail states. Dear student, congratulations on your outstanding performance in the April DCA. We are glad to inform that you have been shortlisted for an interview based on your performance in DCA. Digital capability assessment is coupled with interview evaluation to select suitable candidates for digital offer upgrade. The talent acquisition group will reach out to you to facilitate the interview process. The final results will be communicated to you from XPLORE support team. Let the learning never stop. Thank you and wish you the very best. TCS XPLORE. Let's see what other mail says. Dear student, thank you for appearing in the XPLORE DCA April 2021 assessment. We regret to inform you that you have not cleared the assessment based on our evaluation parameters. We appreciate the effort you have invested for appearing for the DCA assessment. You have similar opportunities to upgrade your offer post joining TCS. We are confident that XPLORE learning and the assessments help to acquire knowledge and improve your performance. Enrich your learning experience with TCS XPLORE. Let the learning never stop. Best of luck, TCS XPLORE. Those who have received congratulations mail will receive another mail from talent acquisition team. They will inform you regarding interview date and time. These are the mails received to different students who have attended DCA exam in April. These mails are sent batch-wise, so if you didn't receive the mail, wait for some time and continue checking your mailbox. For more updates on TCS, check out our channel.
These were the questions for 17 April DCA.
Problem Statement 1. A game development company wants to design a brain game application for kids. There is different type of task to be designed for game. Among the entire task there is one task in which each digit of existing number has to replace with another digit. Digit 0 will replace with 9, 1 is replaced with 8, 2 is replaced with 7, rest of the number are also going to replace accordingly. 0 is less than or equal to n is less than or equal to 1 million. System should generate message as wrong input if value of n is out of range. These are the sample inputs and their corresponding outputs. In sample case 1, input is 105201, here 1 produce output 8 that is 9 minus 1 equal 8, 0 produce output 9 that is 9 minus 0 equal 9, 5 produce output 4 that is 9 minus 5 equal 4, 2 produce output 9 that is 9 minus 2 equal 7, 0 produce output 9 that is 9 minus 0 equal 9, 1 produce output 8 that is 9 minus 1 equal 8. In sample case 2, the input is out of range so the output will be wrong input. Problem Statement 2. In puzzle game there is a list of numbers with value of 0, 1 and 2. Participants have to arrange all ones first, after that arrange all zeros and all twos at last. Instructions. System doesn't allow any kind of hard-coded input values/values. Written program code by candidate will be verified against the inputs which are supplied from the system. Constraints. Number list must have only 0, 1 and 2. These are the sample test cases provided. The input has two lines. First line has length of array, second line has space-separated integers. Our task is to arrange the numbers of the array, such that all ones should be printed first, then zeros and then twos.
Thanks for watching Python Everyday. Like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch other videos on our channel. Goodbye. See you in the next video.